Welcome back. I'd like to share a comfort food with you, Loco Moco. Loco Moco is made of 4 ingredients: white rice, a hamburger patty, an awesome gravy, and a fried egg. We're going to brown up some onions to make our gravy. Add a little bit of salt and pepper for flavor, completely up to you. Some people add chopped peppers, mushrooms, other vegetables. We're going to make a roux, and the roux is pretty simple. There's some water here and a tablespoon of cornstarch in 1 cup of water. We'll add a couple tablespoons of soy sauce. Mix that up. If you were using other flavorings such as Worcestershire sauce or hot sesame oil or something like that, you could add it here. You can see our onions browning up. I have this on high heat, nicely browned. Let's mix up our roux a little bit more. Just add that, the onions. If that starts to thicken up, take that gravy, pour it back into this cup. We're going to start cooking our hamburger patty. I've made it nice and thin so it cooks pretty quickly. Put a little salt and pepper on it. While that's cooking, I'm going to cook my egg. So traditionally, Loco Moco is made with a sunny side up egg. Let that cook up. Let's go back to our burger. A little bit more seasoning on this side. Take a look at our egg here. Okay, it's cooking up nicely. Let's flip that one more time. Let's get our rice. And I'm going to use a form here for our rice. Give this one more flip. And we'll just put that right in there. Put this right on my rice. Push that down a little bit. There's some juice and fat in here. So I'm going to pour that right in there. We're gonna pour this gravy. Grab our sunny side up egg right on top. And there you have Loco Moco. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you next time.